I'm making this jig for a Kreg K4 pocket hole jig so I can better clamp it down in the middle of the downdraft table and be able to balance boards while drilling. For this project, I used a 14-inch by 9-inch scrap piece of 3/4-inch plywood. Probably would have gone a little wider, but this was the biggest piece of plywood in the scrap bin, and it should work fine for most drilling. I do plan on making more blocks to support bigger boards in the future. 2 pieces of 1/2-inch plywood stacked on top of each other is perfect for making support wings on the sides of the jig. To attach the plywood, I used glue and brad nails, 1 piece at a time. Notice how that little piece of ply is getting all squirrely. To put that squirrel in its cage, just add a little salt. Finally, I sanded it all down and bam! My pocket hole lifestyle is just a little bit easier and a little bit cleaner too.